Hello guys, welcome to the next video on Linux command line tutorial for beginners, and in this video we will see how we can use cal command in Linux. Now cal command can be used to display conventionally formatted calendar on your command line. So let's see how we can use cal command. So to use cal command you can just use cal, C-A-L, and then press enter, and it's going to show you the calendar kind of output here, right? And the date of making this video is 4th January 2017, for example, right? So this is the cal command, which is going to show you the current month and the date and the year. Okay, but there are some flags which you can use with this cal command. So the first flag I'm going to show you can use with this command is, actually it's not a flag, but it's just a command. You can just use ncal and then press enter, and now you can see the output in a little bit different format. So earlier your weekdays are at the top, but right now the weekdays are on the left hand side, right? So ncal command can be used to view the week days on the left, and the cal command can be used to view the weekdays on the top. Okay, so let me clear this terminal. Now the next flag which you can use with cal command is the year. So whatever year you want to see, you can just enter the year number. For example, I want to see 2016 and then press enter, and it's going to show all the months in 2016 year, right, in the formatted form. So from January to the December is going to show you all the calendar month here. Okay, let me clear the terminal again. And now the next command or next flag which you can use with this cal is, for example, you want to just view some month in a particular year. So for example, I want to see the February of 2014, for example. So I can just give 2 for February. February is the second month of the year. If it's January, you can write 1. March, you can write 3. So for example, for February, I'm writing 2. Okay, and then the year in which I want to see the month. So 2014, for example, and press enter, and then it's just going to show that month which you have entered here, not the whole calendar. Okay, so this is also how you can use the cal command. Now for example, you can give the, for example, cal -3, and it's going to give you the current month, previous month, and the next month. Okay, so just press enter, and you can see the current month is this one, previous month, and then the next month. And by default, when you give cal command, by default this number is -1, and when you give this, it's going to show you the current month. So there are many more flags which you can use with cal command. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye for now.